Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on how far Jamaica has reached becoming a republic. Jamaica wants to move towards the republic form of government, and it's a long process and they're going through the steps. So we're going to give you an update as to what's going on with that. Constitutional Reform Committee meets with Jamaica umbrella group of churches. The Constitutional Reform Committee recently met with members of the Jamaica umbrella group of churches to address issues of concern regarding the country's proposed transition to a republic. The discussions, which were held at the Terra Nova All Suite Hotel in Kingston, focused on several key areas, including the timeline for tabling the relevant bill in Parliament, replacement of the United Kingdom Privy Council as Jamaica's final appellate tribunal, amending the coat of arms, as well as the role of an appointed executive president. Minister of Legal and Constitutional Affairs, Honorable Marlene Malou Fort, in her remarks, reiterated the phases of reforming Jamaica's constitution, noting that provisions that have worked for us will not be removed. The goal is to have a constitution passed by the Parliament of Jamaica and approved by the people of Jamaica, she said. Mrs. Malou Fort informed stakeholders that the current timeline for tabling the bill is necessary because it will take about a year to go through Parliament and there is a time frame for the referendum to be held. Then it will come upon the end of life for Parliament, and we didn't want it to get intermingled with general elections, she pointed out. For his part, pastor of Swallowfield Chapel and member of the committee, Dr. David Henry, in response to questions, said a subcommittee was appointed to establish a public education campaign on the process to better enable Jamaicans to respond to issues that are relevant to them. This idea of a republic, it means the sovereignty of the people. It's not a political party, it's the people. This is the moment where we, as a people, can define the kind of governance we want in Jamaica, he emphasized. We need to help our people to understand how the very foundation, which is our constitution, impacts those kinds of governance matters and invite them to be a part of the process of reform, Dr. Henry further stated. The committee, which is co-chaired by Minister Malou Fort and Ambassador Rocky Mead, is tasked with providing expert guidance and oversight to the government and citizens during the reform process. It will also implement recommendations on the consensuses reached. Further consultations are set to be hosted in several parish capitals by the committee in short order and will be published by the ministry. So that is the end of the article. So guys, let us know what you think about Jamaica moving towards a republic. It's going to be a long process because if they say they don't want it to coincide with general elections and that is a few years away, then it definitely, actually general elections are next year between 2024 and 25. So we'll keep you guys updated on what's going on. All right, guys, thanks for having the discussion with us today, and leave your comments in the section below. And for those who want to know, I think the video started on Arthur Wint Drive, and then now we are on Mountain View Avenue, and we are heading towards Deanry Road. Yep, heading towards Mountain View Avenue and Deanry Road. Well, actually, we are on Mountain View Avenue heading towards Deanry Road. So that's the Excelsior High School on the right, and that's Deanry Road coming up on the right. So this would be the route you take to go to the airport, basically. All right, guys. Thanks for taking a tour with us today. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.